Good morning to all. I am Ilakya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Madurai Sivakasi Nadas, Pioneer Meenakshi Women's College, Puvandi. Today discussed about the topic is Fundamentals of Information Technology Basics. Its particular topic covered what is an input and output devices, types of terminals. First of all, what is an input and output devices? An input and output devices is also called I/O devices. I/O devices is any hardware used by a human operator other system to communicate with a computer, as the same suggest input or output devices are capable of sending data or output to a computer and receiving data from a computer or input. Input devices allows user to interact with a computer by providing data or commands. Some common input devices including keyboard, mice, microphones, webcams, scanners, and also output devices allows user to see, hear, or otherwise perceive the result of the computer's processing. Some common output devices including monitors, printers, speakers, and headphones. I/O devices are essentially for the operations of any computer system. They allow user to interact with the computer and provide computer with the data it needs to function. Input devices. This part of a computer encapsulates device with the help of which the user feeds data to the computer. It creates an interface between the user and the computer. The input devices transform the information into a form acceptable to the computer. An input device in a computer is any pieces of hardware that sends data to the computer, allows you to interact with the and control it. The data may be in form of text, commands, images, audio, or video. Another input devices is human given instruction to the computer. Particular devices is called input devices. Some input devices of computer, a pieces of hardware equipment that enables the user to send data into a computer is called input devices. Some commonly used input devices of keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphical tablet, microphone, magnetic in-car reader or MICR, optical character reader or OCR, barcode reader or optical mark reader or OMR. These pictures of input devices. First of all, keyboard, next one scanner, trackball, MICR, OMR, and next one is graphical tablet, joystick, barcode reader, mouse, OCR, light pen, and microphones. These all of devices also nowadays used these technologies and input devices. Next one, keyboard. Keyboard is only instruction to the computer. Some instructions user gives to the computer using keyboards. What is terminal and its types? The terminal is a basic communication unit. It is used to send and receive the data. It generally consists of keyboard or monitor. The keyboard is used to input data and monitor work as an output unit. Many terminals are connected with the central computer. Through terminal, much people can work single computer on a time. Next one is types of terminal. Following are some types of terminal. 1. Video display terminals, teleprinter terminal, intelligent terminal, dump terminal, local terminal, and a remote terminal. First one, video display terminal. The video display terminal is like a TV screen. The screen is called a monitor, is used to display information received from the computer. The combination of monitor and video display unit is called the video display terminal. Teleprinter terminal. The teleprinter terminal consists of the printer. The printer is used to get information on a pieces of instructions or paper from the central computers. Next one is intelligent terminal. If the microcomputer is connected to the central computer or microcomputer act as a terminal of a central computer, it terms an intelligent terminal. The intelligent terminal can process, store and receive information to and from other terminals and central communications, central computer. This using first one starting computers is called one end and another one is opposite sides of system is called other terminal. Next one is dump terminal. A dump terminal has only input and output unit to send and receive information to and from other terminal. Local terminal. The local terminal is directly connected to the central computer through cable. This types of network is known as local area network or LAN. These connections always connected multiple systems. Local terminals are used in single signal building or office. Remote terminal. The remote terminal that is long distance away from the central computer is known as remote terminal. They are connected to the central computer through the communication line. The remote terminal is mostly intelligent terminal. Next one is pointing devices. And the pointing devices is an input device. It is used to control the movement of pointer or cursor on the screen. Some actions is going on the screen is called pointing devices. It can be also used for sending command signal to the computer, selecting item on the screen, selecting commands from command menu, drawing graphs and etc. Most important pointing devices is these devices also known as the most important pointing devices are also follows: mouse, trackball, pointing stick, joystick, touchpad, touchscreen and light pen, digitalizer, graphical tablet. First one is types of mouse. This mouse is also two types of mouse. First one is mechanical mouse, another one is optical mouse. Mechanical mouse is a small ball at the bottom. The ball rotated as a mouse is rolled over a flat surface. Usually a rectangle rubber pad or known as mouse pad is used as a flat surface. As the mouse is rolled over the flat surface, the pointer mouse in a same direction on the screen. Optical mouse. The optical mouse same as ball at the bottom. The laser technology to detect the mouse. Nowadays it is commonly used to PCs. Trackball. It performs functions like a mouse but it is a stationary device. It has movable ball on the top. The ball is rotated or rolled with the fingers or palm to move the pointer on the screen. Like mouse, a trackball also has buttons used to send the commands to computer. The trackball is used available the laptop computers. It is fixed on a keyboard. It is also available as separated input devices. This is ball is rotated, cursor is rotated left or right, top bottom. This ball is which direction is rotated. The cursor is move up this direction. Next one is touchpad or trackpad. Touchpad is pressure sensitive pointing devices. It is also stationary device like trackball, but it has no moving parts. It is a small flat surface or sensitive pad over which a user slides fingertip or move the pointing on the screen. This screen also nowadays using laptops or tabs or smart devices also used. Next one is pointing stick. A pointing stick is a pressure sensitive pointing device. It looks like a pencil eraser. It exists between keys of keyboard. It is used to control the movement of a pointer on the screen. The pointer in the screen moves in the direction in which pointing stick is pushed. This stick input devices is normally connected with the laptop computers. Next one is joystick. It consists of a vertical handled or handheld stick. The stick is mounted on a base. The handheld stick is used to control the movement of pointing on the screen. The button of the joystick is pressed to activate certain event or action. Joystick is basically used to play video games. It also used some computer aided applications of CAD system. Next one is touchscreen. A touchscreen is a special display screen. Input is given to the computer directly by touching the screen with the user fingertip. Must touch screen computer use sensor the computer screen to detect the touch of the finger. Touchscreen are often used ATM. Touchscreen system are also used restaurant, supermarket, departmental store and stores also etc. Next one is light pen. The light pen is a handheld pointing input device. It is a lighting sensitive input device. The tip of pen containing a light sensitive element. This device also containing a button. Input is given to the computer directly by touching the screen with the pen. When the pen is touched with the screen, it detected or senses a positions on display. The user pointing the object to be selected on the display screen and then presses a button on the light pen. Light pen devices is usually used by engineers and scientists or designers. Next one is digitalizer or graphical tablet. Digitalizer is used to drawing a new imaging or tracing old images. It enables a user to handle draw images, animation, graphic maps and engineering drawings. These tablets may also be used to capture the data or handwriting signatures. It consists of flat rectangular board or pad and an input device's stylus or buck. Each location on a rectangular board pointing to the corresponding positions on a computer screen. Stylus look like a pen. It is used to drawing information, especially design the graphical design or digitalizer. Buck look a mouse. Buck is also called preferred because it is a very useful of computers.